Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can add new contacts from Survey Anyplace to your Google Sheets. Now Survey Anyplace is a software which is used for doing surveys, different type of surveys. You can use quiz forms, you can use survey forms, etc. from this application. And Google Sheets is the spreadsheet program which has been used for numerous purposes. Now what are we doing? We are using Google Sheets as a backup to have the contacts from Survey Anyplace inside Google Sheets. Now what will happen, whenever we are going to add a new contact to Survey Anyplace, it will automatically be added to Google Sheets. We are using an integration and automation software, Pably Connect, which will help us connect Survey Anyplace and Google Sheets together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen.
And we are now back to our screen. So what do you have to do? You have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect, and as soon as you will do that, you have to press enter, and after that you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. And here I have two options: either I can sign in or I can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. You just have to sign in if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, you can go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will always take only 2 minutes for you to create it. And also I want to say that signing up will also give you 100 free tasks from our side every month, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in because I already have an account here. So you can see this is my account. I will just log in here, and these are my softwares. So what are we going to do? We are going to go for Pably Connect, and we are going to click access now. Now once we will do that, you will see a new dashboard will open here, and you can see these are the automation workflows that I have been making and using for me and to teach you also. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new workflow. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type in Survey Anyplace to Google Sheets, because this is what we are doing, right? So I will just click on create now. And now here you can see I have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, or when any initial event is happening. And action is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. So trigger is when this happens, action means do this. So what we are going to do, first we are going to choose Survey Anyplace from our trigger in our trigger window. And before that, let me just go and open my Survey Anyplace in a new window. And now you can see I have this Survey Anyplace account here. And now what I did, I also opened my Google Sheets here of Survey Anyplace, so that we do not have to go and open the accounts again and again. Now what we are going to do, first we are going to choose Survey Anyplace in our trigger window, and then we are going to choose the trigger event new contact. So what will happen, whenever a new contact will be created in our Survey Anyplace, that new contact will also be saved in our Google Sheets. Now first we are going to connect our Survey Anyplace account with our Pably Connect account. So how we are going to do that, you can see here it is asking me for an API key to connect. Now from where you are going to get this API key, you have to read this instruction and follow it. So it is written, you can find the above keys by logging to your Survey Anyplace account. After logging in, you can create and find your API key under my account. So let's just go here. I have already logged into my account. Click on this icon here, then go to my account, and here you can see this is the API key. Just copy this API key, go back and paste it here. Voila! Now as soon as you will click save, your Survey Anyplace will get connected to your Pably Connect account. Now you can see it is asking us for the save and send test request tab, and as soon as we will click our save and send test request, you will see that a response has been received here as Paritosh Sahu, and this is the unique identifier, and this is the email. Now why is this response here? Because let me just go back here, because we have the last contact as Paritosh Sahu pari@red.com here, and that is the unique identifier. So what will happen, whenever a new contact will get added, it will be automatically added to the Google Sheets, or sorry, not Google Sheets, it will automatically be taken by Pabbly Connect account, and then whenever we are going to add more new contacts, that would be taken to Google Sheets. Okay, so I have this here, Paritosh Sahu, pari@red.com. This is the email and this is the unique identifier. Now what we will do, we will just go back here. Our first step of connecting our Survey Anyplace with our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now what we will do, we will go to action, and now here we are going to choose the Google Sheets. Now here, what we are going to do, we are going to add new row, because as soon as the new contacts will be added to our Survey Anyplace account, we are going to add new rows of, for those separate contacts in our Google Sheets. So just click on connect, and here you can see I have existing connection, but I am going to do new connection to show you how it's done. So just click on connect with Google Sheets, and when you will do that, it will ask you for the account in which your Google Sheets is. So my Google Sheets of Survey Anyplace is an Ashirai account. So I'll just go for Ashirai824@gmail.com, and here it will ask you for the authorization request, and you have to give it authorization to complete your automation. And to do that, you just have to click on continue. And let me tell you, your data with the Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe, and Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. So you can see I have so many Google Sheets here, and I can select any one, but I want the latest one, which is Survey Anyplace. So I will just click on Survey Anyplace. Now here you can see select sheet. So I only have one sheet here, and the name of the sheet is contact. You can see here. So this is the name of the sheet. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in these fields in this window. So by using mapping, I am just going to map unique identifier is this. First name was Paritosh. So let's just go for Paritosh. Last name was Sahu. So let's just go for Sahu. And email was pari@red.com. Okay. Now as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see a response has been received here, and a new contact has been made as a backup in our Google Sheets. Here you can see this Paritosh Sahu, pari@red.com. Now let us try it one more time. I'm just going to create a new contact here. First name is Arpit. Last name is Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. I do not want any personal ID. I do not want to put it any list. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and close. And as you can see, I have this contact here, arpitsharma@gmail.com, and this is my unique identifier. Now let us go back to Google Sheets and let us just refresh it. Now, let me tell you one thing. Survey Anyplace, or we should say we are using a polling trigger to send the data from Survey Anyplace to Google Sheets. So what will happen whenever a polling trigger is used, the data from one application to other application will take time to come, or I should say will take some time to come here. So, it will take a few minutes for Survey Anyplace to constantly, poke Google Sheets, or I should say for Google Sheets to constantly poke Survey Anyplace that give me the data what you are having, give me the data what you are having. So Survey Anyplace will give the data to Google Sheets within few minutes. So let us just wait for some time, like 2 or 3 minutes, and let's see if our, data comes here or not. Let me refresh it once again. No, it is not here. So let us just wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And you can see here is my data, and this data has come to me after like 3.5 minutes. So I just paused the video to save some time, and here you can see ntnxfsuil Arpit Sharma@gmail.com. So friends, this is how you can connect your Survey Anyplace account to your Google Sheets, so that whenever you are making a new contact in your Survey Anyplace, it will automatically be saved into your Google Sheets. So by chance if your account gets deleted, or if you delete something in your survey any place by mistake, because when you are adding some contacts to your particular list, there may be a shuffle in contacts, there may be some mistakes where you may misplace the contacts from survey any place. So you will have those contacts in your Google Sheets ready to restore and to backup and to use them in survey any place again. So friends, this is how you can connect it and you can use this automation in your business, in your personal life. And I just want to say, if you want to clone this beautiful workflow, you can just go to my description box and clone this workflow into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and to have an account, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.